What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to cover FFmpeg, which is hands down the most powerful command line tool for working with video and audio on Linux. Whether you need to convert formats, extract audio, trim clips, or compress files, FFmpeg does it all. Let's start by installing it. Once it's installed, let's verify it's working. The version flag will show you what you've got along with all the codecs and libraries it was compiled with. Now, before you do anything with a video file, you probably want to know what you're working with. FFprobe is a companion tool that comes with FFmpeg, and it gives you all the details about a file. The codec, resolution, bitrate, audio channels, everything. The most basic thing you'll do with FFmpeg is converting between formats. The syntax is dead simple. -I for input, then the output file name. FFmpeg figures out the format from the file extension. So if I want to go from MP4 to MKV, I just change the extension. Now here's one I use all the time, extracting just the audio from a video. The -VN flag means no video, and -A codec tells it what audio format to encode to. In this case, MP3. Trimming a video is another super common task. -SS sets the start time, -TO sets the end time, and here's the important part. -C copy means we're just cutting without re-encoding. This makes it almost instant because FFmpeg isn't processing every single frame, it's just slicing the file. Need to resize a video? The video filter flag -VF with scale does exactly that. Here I'm scaling down to 1280 by 720. You can also use -1 for one of the dimensions, and FFmpeg will calculate it automatically to maintain the aspect ratio. Probably the most useful trick. Compressing video with CRF, which stands for constant rate factor. Lower numbers mean higher quality and bigger files. The default is 23. I usually go with 28 for a good balance between quality and file size, and the preset controls how hard the encoder works. Faster presets mean quicker encoding, but slightly larger files. And last one, converting a video to a GIF. The video filter here sets the frame rate to 10 frames per second and scales the width to 480 pixels. The -1 on the height keeps the aspect ratio. Keep in mind, GIFs can get huge, so shorter clips work best. That's FFmpeg in a nutshell. There's way more it can do, but these are the commands you'll use 90% of the time. See you in the next one.